You have the steps in front of you, hopefully, on paper. You also have them in this assignment. So your first step is to click open. Go over here to the assignment and click open. Then scroll down. Your next step is to click underneath where it says your work, click on your assignment. Then it says click at the top of the screen. Go up to the top of the screen and click on Open with Clicker Docs. Now you're in your word bank. You should be in the first word bank called Simple Sentences. I'm going to do an example with you now using the boy played. If you have a period at the end of your sentence, it will read the sentence. We are going to expand the sentence, so for now we will get rid of the period. If I read the sentence, I notice it doesn't tell me where, when, why, or how the boy played. I need to answer those questions to make my sentence paint a picture for my readers. First, I will answer the where question. Where did the boy play? I want to answer this first because when I read the sentence, that was the first question I asked myself. I wonder where he played. To help my readers, I need to think of places where the boy could play. Use the list here under the yellow tab. Where did the boy play? I'm going to choose in the bedroom. So now our sentence reads, if I put a period at the end, it reads automatically, or I could put the cursor at the beginning and click on the speaker. The boy played in the bedroom. Now I know where the boy played. I need to decide the best place for in his room or in his bedroom, in the bedroom. I could put it at the beginning, in the bedroom, the boy played, or the boy played in the bedroom. I think it's better after the boy played. I'm going to add that then after the boy played. So my sentence now reads, the boy played in his room or in the bedroom. Now that we know where the boy played, we need to think about when the boy played in his room. I'm going to think of ways to describe when for my readers. When did the boy play? Let's look at some of the choices down here at the bottom, orange tabs. When? When did the boy play? Some of the choices there. Saturday. Sure. Saturday, the boy played in the bedroom. Or I could try, the boy played in the bedroom Saturday. I think I'm going to stick with the beginning. Delete that one. Saturday, the boy played in the bedroom. Next, I want to know why. So go over here to the little blue arrow at the bottom and click on the first red box. Why words and phrases? Why did the boy play in his bedroom on Saturday? I need to think of a few reasons the boy would be in his room on a Saturday. Look at some of the choices here. Maybe he got in trouble. put that in there. I need to put a space in here. Click here and then go back. You can put your space back in there. And since we're talking about a boy, I'm going to change this blank here to he. Saturday, the boy played in the bedroom because he was in trouble. Okay, so now we know why, but I want to know, now we know why and where and when he played. I want to answer the question how. How did the boy play? When I think of how, I want to come up with words that describe how the boy played in his room. Here's a list. The boy played like quietly, loudly, rambunctiously. I'm going to say he played quietly because he's already in trouble. Saturday, let's see, let's play it from the beginning. That doesn't make sense. I need to put it someplace else. Quietly doesn't go there. I think it needs to go close to my verb. So I have to take it out and put it near the verb. The boy played, played is my verb. The boy played quietly in the bedroom because he was in trouble. All right, my checklist says that I need to put a period at the end. And I need to get rid of capital letters and only have them on the first word of the sentence, Saturday. Let's play this. I like that. Now, you would do that with more than just one sentence. You understand the steps now. Then you're going to save the document to your Google Drive. Save as a Google Doc. Don't forget to watch the video, which is with this assignment, on how to save in Clicker as a Google Doc. Be sure to save your Google Doc called Your Name. So I'll put my name. Expanding, as it mentions over here on your steps. My name, expanding. You would put your name, expanding. Then go back into your assignment. And as it says over here, click Add. Then click Google Drive. As it says here, click Google Drive to add your name, expanding, the document you just saved. So I'm going to add the one that says Andrew Weidman, expanding. Click Add. Then click Turn In. Make sure you know what you're turning in. I'm actually turning in this one right here. Name of my document, expanding, my name. And you're all done. Thank you for your patience.